Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Plug a data-capable USB cable into the mobile and the system. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging on the phone so the system can see it as a device. Make sure you use a reliable cable. Not all cables support data. Also, close background apps and confirm battery is above 20% to prevent interruptions. This reduces unexpected disconnects and speeds up the initial handshake that follows. You now perform the connection steps. Plug in, then select the correct USB mode on the phone, file transfer for files, USB tethering for network, or ADB for developer access. Once selected, watch the mobile for an RSA key confirmation and tap Accept. This authorizes the system. Then check the system side, open Device Manager, Settings, or run a DB devices to confirm detection. If detected, transfer or control begins immediately. If not, retrace the USB mode and authorization steps. You finish by completing your task. Copy files, use the tethered network, or run developer commands, and then always eject or disable the mode before unplugging. Make sure to turn off USB debugging or revoke authorizations if you're done to protect your device. If anything goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Swap the cable or use another USB port. Most failures are physical. If that still fails, reboot both devices, re-enable debugging, and accept the RSA prompt again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.